Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on probability and how to find it. All right, so let's start by defining probability. Probability is the likelihood of an event taking place. And so we describe probability using a fraction with a positive outcome over a possible outcome. So here's an example of simple probability. In this bucket, there are 2 red balls and 1 green ball. And so the simple probability here of of picking a ball is 2 out of 3. Picking a red ball, 2 red balls out of 3 total balls. All right, the probability of picking a green is 1 out of 3. So this is simple probability. I've got another bucket over here, and in this bucket, there are 3 red balls and 2 green balls. So in total, 5 balls. So our probability, simple probability for event 2 is 3 out of 5. 3 reds out of 5, and for a green, 2 out of 5. All right, so this is simple probability. Now, what do we do with this probability? We're going to make an area model, a two-way table. And so we take, for the length and the width, these represent the 2 events. So event 1 is going to go on the top. And our 2 outcomes for event 1 are red and green. And we put next to these outcomes the probability. The simple probability goes on the outside for the length. Now for event 2, that's going to go for our width. And event 2 has 2 outcomes, and we put red and green. And then next to those, we put the probability of red and the probability of green. And so we've got our length, event 1, and our width, event 2. All right, this creates a two-way table, a 2 by 2. Now on the inside, this is where we put our sample space. From event number 1, let's suppose we draw a red, and then from event number 2, let's suppose we draw another red. And so that creates this sample space of red, red. Okay? We've also got picking a red and then a green and then a red, and here in this last quadrant, a green and then a green. Okay, now let's find the probability of each event. And to do that, we multiply the probability, the simple probability. So 2/3 times 3/5 gives us 6 out of 15. So the probability of going red, red is 6 out of 15. All right, the probability for going green, red is 3 out of 15. For going red, green, 4 out of 15, and green, green is 2 out of 15. Now I want you to notice, if you add these up, if you add the probabilities on the inside, the 6/15, the 3/15, 4/15, and 2/15, you get a total of 15 out of 15, which is 1. One of these events is guaranteed, okay? All right, now let's take a look at what we can do now that we have these probabilities. So a couple questions for you. What is the probability of picking 2 greens? So this is where green intersects with green. Notice how the 2 green lines intersect, and that gives us this probability. So the probability of picking 2 greens is 2 out of 15. All right, what's the probability of picking 1 of each color? Well, in that case, 1 of each color is either the green red or the red green. And in this case, we're going to join them together. This is called a union, right? We're joining them. And so when we add 4 over 15 and 3 over 15, we get 7 over 15. Okay? And our last question, what is the probability of picking green first and then red? So it's got to go green first, which is highlighted in green, and then red second. And notice how when those intersect, it's this space right here. And so it's just 3 out of 15. All right. For union, like this middle one here, we use the symbol U for union. The intersection, like we see in the first example, we use the symbol N for intersection. Same thing for the example here, N for intersection. All right, I hope this is helpful as you solve problems involving probability. Good luck.